Okay, so I'm just going to explain the workflow that we started the other night. You can copy this scene for scene if you want to. I know I'm making the video in one of the worst video makers, but whatever, it does the job. We're using 4 tools today for websites. There's ChatGPT, which you've used, 11 Labs, which is just text to voice, Pika Labs, which animates your video, and then Leonardo, which um, draws the art in the first place, basically. I'm using Clipchamp to assemble things, but any video editor will work just the same. Alright, so open Clipchamp, click Create New Video, and you've got this screen. This is where all your shit goes. I'll start with GPT, and I'll say write me a 4-paragraph introduction to a desert planet with rivers and lakes, but no people. Okay, so it's going to write me a short section of text. 4 paragraphs is probably too much for what I can be asked doing right now. Okay, let's just say I like this for the text. I will then say, write me a 1-sentence description of the planet. Okay, so it's going to write a description of what we're looking for. Copy, paste into Leonardo. I'm almost out of credits, but whatever. They reset every day. And I'm going to do the same with Pika. Okay. So first I'll do one just with the exact prompt. And then I will do one. So you do /create, then write the prompt. And I will say drone video of a desert planet with sand dunes and meandering and rivers and lakes. Okay, drone video should get us like an outside view. These take about 30 seconds to load each. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, you get a 3-second video like you can see here. The overall quality is pretty unreliable, so what you got to do is put in your prompt, like type it in, give it the 30 seconds to load, and then press this reload button right here. Okay, and this will redraw the image from the same prompt. So okay, it's just done the desert planet. Alright, I like that, but if it's a 3-second clip, I'm going to need quite a few of those. I think you get like 10 or reloads every minute or something like that. Let me see, is it done? Yeah. Okay, those are both pretty good actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on this prompt 1. Try that again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm getting an interaction failed. Maybe I've done too many. Okay, just keep clicking reload basically. And that'll take like a minute to do those. So let's go back to Leonardo. Okay, let's say we like that. Yeah, not bad. It's already in the right resolution. So, okay, let's just say I start with these two. I'll download both of those. Drag them into Clipchamp. I know you know how to do the video editing side of things, but so I'll just start with those as like my pictures. Okay, but that went for way too long, so yeah, just bring those down. Then I will go to GPT, copy a paragraph from this into 11 Labs. I pick my voice that I want to say it.
Don't smother each other, no one can grow in the shade.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others.
Okay, great. So let's just say I picked Giovanni to say that paragraph. Okay. Text is there. Click generate. This is about 10 seconds. I don't care too much about this project. I don't need to listen through it, but sometimes I'll break them up
In this
into
world
smaller
untouched by
sections. But let's just say we're happy with that. It should come up in a second. There's a download button down here. Okay, great. It's done. Oh, it's still working on our videos. That's okay. Give that a second. Don't know why the download button hasn't come up. It's usually down here. I think it's just taking a second to think about it. Okay,
In this world untouched by human presence, a symphony of the elements plays out uninterrupted, a harmonious dance between the burning sun, the whispering winds, the patient waters, and the enduring land.
Okay, I'm happy with that, right? So I just click download down here. That also goes into my downloads folder. I drag that into here. Drag that in. I know you know how to do video editing basically, but okay. So I've got my 2 introduction pictures. Now I'm going to go back to Pika Labs and just download all of these videos. Okay, 3-second videos. Oh, I went over the limit there. Yeah, that's the how many you can do. Every 3 minutes, it's something like 25 videos. Yeah, so just go through all of them. Clicking on download. If it was a project I cared about, I'd be a lot more picky. But for now, I'm just gonna download all of those. Okay, that should be enough. And as I said, I don't really give a shit about this. Drag those also into Clipchamp. I don't really pay that much attention to order. What I'll usually do is go through anything with like water, I'll put together. So water, 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 water. Okay, I can see which ones I've ticked already, so then I'm going to do like just the ones with land but no shit. Yeah, mountainy things. And yeah, okay. So now it looks basically like this.
In this world untouched by human presence, a symphony of the elements plays out uninterrupted, a harmonious dance between the burning sun, the whispering winds, the patient waters, and the enduring land. Here, the desert planets, rivers and lakes stand as both testament and paradox, a vivid testament to the universe's boundless ability to craft beauty from contradiction, and a paradox that beckons explorers to unravel the planet's.
Okay, awesome. Like that. Start at the end of the exterior shots, and now I need sideways view of a desert island with a campfire. Okay. So it's done the drone shot, it's done the exterior. We're now zooming in on an individual scene. sure. That's not really what I was looking for, but yeah, that'll do fine. So download that one for the close-up scene. That's going to be here. Okay. Drag this into the scene. Let's make that a bit longer. And then I'm going to put some people or some objects there. So for instance, I think last night I already did, yeah, campfire, that'll do. It's a shit one, but whatever, it's fine. So green screen, campfire, and I want this one to go as long as this scene here. I don't know, I'll just duplicate it, won't I? So effects, green screen, I'll make it way, way smaller. Drag it there. What I might do like stars or something in the background in just the same way, but for now that should do. And I want that to be as lasting twice as long. Yeah. Then I will put in some characters. So, for instance, I just type into the same Leonardo, green screen, Batman, and Superman, or whatever the fuck I'm looking for. There we go. Again, green screen. I want him. Let's just put him here. Awesome. And green screen. One of these guys. Again, this is all just AI. So, okay, you're way too big. No, got the wrong thing. Why can I not select him? Okay, yeah. So with this one, it's got a little watermark in the bottom, so I'm just going to crop that out. And that's not really doing anything. Okay, so crop him out. Make him normal size, green screen again. But maybe I want him like behind the fire this time. So I'll move him there instead. No, actually that looks terrible. Let's just put him here and shrink him. Okay, so that's basically. Oh, move the green screen up a little bit because there's still a bit of a box behind him. Yep, there we go. Okay, so you've just made like a AI 40-second scene in 15 minutes. Awesome.